Welcome to the Filthy Frank Show! Where I will teach you all the cool things!
Oh, got a little excited, got a little red there. Oh wow, ladies and gentlemen. So unfortunately, we've had a couple changes due to fucking noise complaints in my building. This last month, it's been kind of hard to find a spot, but I found it. Welcome to the bathroom. That's the bathroom. But yeah, because of noise complaints, we're stuck in the bathroom for a while. Yeah, they keep saying something about screaming. I don't know who's screaming here? No one's screaming here. But let's face it, this is where the show was going anyway. It's really hot in here. The conditions are not good. Fucking noise complaints. These motherfuckers need chin chin. That's who they need. You motherfuckers need chin chin. But it's not my fault if what goes on around here is weird. Cause it's not me. I'm not weird. So I'm glad all you guys are here. And basically, we have to keep it quiet because it's getting too weird in here. Wow! Is that okay, guys? Actually, Frank, this is an intervention. Wait, what? We realize that you're really fucking loud, and you need to get the fuck out of our house! Who the fuck are you? I never loved you, Dad! What the fuck? The fuck are you guys talking about? Take a look at yourself! Out of this whole group, I'm the weird one.
Hey, mouse.
Wow, so you guys are just gonna vote me off the island like that?
Yes.
So the day has finally come, huh? You guys are gonna do this to me?
Give me that pussy, girl.
You got a friend in me. Dun, dun, dun. You got a friend.
Oh, damn, bitch, that's some dead kush.
Y'all motherfuckers need Chin Chin. Oh, come on, Chin Chin, not you too. I'm done. This place is a mess. You know what? I don't even want to be here. I'm out. Is this how you find friends?
2,000 chromosomes later.
Aha! I brought some old friends of mine. I hope you're happy. Yeah, I got some better friends now. A lot of cooler friends. Cooler than you. You tell them, Dad. You tell them, Dad. Yeah, and that's my friend. He's the Hershey's Kisses. That's right. Take that. And fuck you, because I don't need any new friends because I got the best new friends in town. Yeah, the fuck. Yeah. You guys are my best friends. Yeah, I think I like my old friends a lot better. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you guys. We're gonna get noise complaints. Well, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm glad those guys are gone. They were really disgusting. And sick in the head.
Hey, boss, I have a cancer.
I missed you guys.
Boss?
And I missed you guys too. Just kidding, fuck y'all.